We're outside today. It's beautiful, and it's starting to cook up in Toronto in terms of being able to vlog again. So starting on Friday, I'll be able to hit the malls. I'll be able to buy non-essential items again. So sneaker stores will be open again. Malls will be open again up to 15% capacity. So I'm super excited. Today, I wanted to showcase you guys a bunch of new sneaker pickups, including a first impression of 2 Air Jordan 1s that are releasing this weekend or very soon. So yeah, it should be no mystery that I do absolutely miss vlogging. I miss seeing you guys all the time. I haven't been able to vlog for like the last year. Has definitely had a very hard impact on my mental health. We're gonna slowly try and inch our way back into not daily vlogging, but just vlogging on a more consistent basis, and at least uploading on a more consistent basis. So let's start off with the first pickup of the day, which is my favorite flavor of Lay's. If you aren't barbecue Lay's gang, I don't know if we can be friends. I just wanted to put that out there. It was on sale.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
It was on sale and I couldn't resist. Second pickup, we got a bunch of shoes. So let's get to some sneakers that were sent to me by some amazing people. Adidas right here, Adidas, some Ultra Boost right here. And this was shipped to me from my friends over at Adidas Canada quite some time ago. Maybe like a month plus, and I just never got to showing it to you guys on the channel. So wanted to show it to you guys as I'm going to try and get back into running on a more consistent basis. These came at a fantastic time. These are the brand new Ultra Boost 21. Bam! Take a look at these things. They look amazing. There is so much boost on these, man. Like, look at that midsole. That is a thick midsole with so much boost. I've only heard amazing things about the sneaker. I think people like, you know, oh, it's Teddy, aka the Boost God at one point. He has like dubbed this like his favorite shoe. Like, it's such a comfortable sneaker. So really looking forward to wearing these and actually like running in these as my go-to everyday running shoe. I have a small question for you guys. I do want to get back into running. I used to run back in junior high and cross country and do all that good stuff. What do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer running in the morning or running at night, or your workouts in the morning or workout at night? I want to see what kind of schedules you guys are on, and then maybe sync up, you know, maybe link up our schedules. Another pickup I got from some more people I also love. The people over at Puma sent over some packages, and then we're gonna get to the eBay pickups, which are the Air Jordan 1s. So Puma sent over these 2 new sneakers, and they're actually on sale right now in some places like Puma's website or Foot Locker's website. These right here are the Puma Mirage Tech, a brand new sneaker that Puma has just put out. It definitely takes some inspiration from some of the older Puma retro running silhouettes. And this colorway I'm not too crazy about. It's a pretty solid colorway for the summer, I'm not gonna lie, but probably not a colorway I see myself wearing super often. So this is a size 10, and I'll be reviewing these on my second channel, SneakerTalk 365, so feel free to check out that channel. I'm uploading a lot more sneaker reviews over on there. And then the other sneaker that Puma sent over, which I'm looking forward to wearing a lot actually. This one looks dope. This is the Mirage Tech Core. Very similar to the sneaker I just showed you, but with some different touches and a completely different colorway. Bam! Take a look at these. These look so sick, and they're actually inspired by DJs and like their turntables and stuff. You can definitely see the elements when you look at these up close. Colorway is really clean. Definitely gonna be one of my go-to running shoes this summer. And yeah, this is gonna go with everything. This is like such a good summer shoe in my opinion. I like the fact that it has like some nice hits of black to accent like the tongue, the back, and that silver like turntable, like the jog wheel. It looks like a jog wheel right here on the back. Really cool. If you don't know, I used to DJ on YouTube. My mixes are still on YouTube, so if you know what my name is, go for it. Search up the mixes. I used to DJ in high school. So thank you to Puma for these. By the way, I'll leave links to all these sneakers in the description down below. And right now at this time, Puma is doing a family and friends sale. So if you guys want to check the links in the description, and if you want to use the code, I'll leave it in the description of the video. You can actually get 40% off of everything on Puma Canada's website, and then 30% off of their sale items. So they're not paying me to say this, they just sent me an email saying, hey, we have a family and friends coupon code, feel free to share it with your family and friends. Bam, you guys are my family, you guys are my friends. So yeah, just click through one of the links in the description to check out Puma's listings and see what they got. Next up, we got some weird stuff. I do have a Pokemon channel, as some of you guys know. It's called SneakerTalk TCG. So if you like Pokemon, feel free to check it out. I'll leave it linked in the description. And as you guys know, when it comes to like sneakers and stuff, I had a lot of fun making content related to fake sneakers. So one thing I'm gonna try and bring over to Pokemon card YouTube is something they've seen already in the past, but I'm trying to take it to the next level. So for now, we have some fake Pokemon cards I wanted to show you guys. So this right here is a Hidden Fates booster box. This is an item that doesn't actually exist as a real thing, so it's kind of cool. You think of those like fake custom design sneakers, that's kind of like what this is, but obviously Hidden Fates does exist as a booster set. We also have this Pokemon Go. This one's crazy, man. Pokemon Go XY Evolutions tin. This is not a thing that exists as real either, so really curious to see what is inside of this. They have a random card on the inside there, and then this is a $1,000 plus Pokemon booster box, but I got a fake one for like $32. The XY Evolutions, it's basically like a reprint of base set, like the OG cards from back in the day when we were in our glory days of our youth, our childhood. So yeah, if you guys want to check out my Pokemon channel, it's doing really well. I'm having a lot of fun making content over on there. With that said, it's getting quite windy, so hopefully the wind doesn't get too loud in the microphone. We got some eBay packages. This video isn't sponsored by eBay, of course, but they did sponsor me in the past. If you guys want to shop eBay, I'll leave them linked down below. They started to do this new authentication guarantee service, and it's great. You basically get your sneakers authenticated for free, and there's no seller fees for $100 or less. So I'm gonna be selling a lot of my sneaker collections, a lot of my sneakers on eBay very soon. So I bought these off eBay. Prices were super fair. I'm going to be reviewing these shoes on this channel. So if you guys want to see a more in-depth look at the shoes I'm about to open up and show to you guys, make sure you guys subscribe with the notifications on, because these videos are going to be on the channel within the next day or so. Here we go. So first up, we have a black and gold box. Got this little eBay card thing, similar to how StockX has like their stuff, eBay does their stuff. And these are a brand new Jordan 1 mid. Now, I know a lot of you guys might hate on Jordan 1 mids, but I think my channel is one of the, I want to say like my channel SneakerTalk is one of the safe places for fans of Jordan 1 mid fans to be. Like, I don't bash on the Jordan 1 mid. I actually have a Jordan 1 mid news video I just dropped. We're gonna get back into the sneaker news video again, which I'm really excited about, including some Jordan 1 low videos. I'm one of the few channels that showcase Jordan 1 mids on a regular basis, so I knew I had to cop this pair. A lot of people were requesting this review, so let's open it up without further ado. 23 paper, and bam! The Jordan 1 mid orange black, or Arctic orange black. Retail price $115 US. This is going to be probably a really good Jordan 1 model to try and get for the spring and summer. I really like this like shade of, it's like a peach. It reminds me of that Jordan 1 high that released, that's like thousands of dollars. It released alongside the Igloos. eBay authenticated tag right there. Yeah, these are cool. All right, so first impression, quality. It's the average Jordan 1 quality. Not really, you know, not really too happy about that, but I mean, it was to be expected. Come on, this is a Jordan 1 mid GR. I knew what I was getting myself into. Really dope pair. Now, in my personal opinion, I'm not going to be keeping these in my collection. This is a shoe I really strictly bought to review, to showcase to you guys. Oh, UPS truck, you know what that means. Maybe some mail. You're looking at me funny, we'll see. This is a shoe I'm definitely going to be reselling or just selling to one of you guys on eBay or something like that. Hey.
Oh, you're reviewing.
Yeah.
One of my favorite YouTubers. There you go.
Thank you. Take care. Got a package for my dad. That's unfortunate. Can't unbox that right now. But yeah, so these Jordan 1 mid, the Arctic Punch right here is probably one of the, it's gonna be one of the better colorways that released this summer, this spring. So yeah, I'll have a full video for these very soon. But that's the first pickup, the Jordan 1 mid. The UPS guy was really cool. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I'll leave the audio in. I couldn't tell if he was being genuine, if he actually watched my videos or not. He was like, I'm his favorite YouTuber, but he's also Filipino too, right? A lot of Filipinos watch my stuff, so it's like, he honestly, I think he was joking about me being his favorite YouTuber, but like, I wouldn't be surprised if he had an idea of who I was, because I've gone to the UPS store and there was a moment where the UPS guy packing the stuff recognized me, like he knew me from YouTube, like he really enjoyed the DJ Big Boy Chang videos. Next up, let's get to this next sneaker pickup. This pair is actually going to be coming out this weekend, so I managed to scoop it up a couple days early And that's one thing I really like about eBay right now, because the shipping times are so much faster. When it comes to me getting shoes from sellers on StockX, it often takes 2 to 3 weeks, but eBay, it takes a week. So if I'm urgently needing a pair for a review or for early, you know, I need the access, then eBay is honestly my go-to way at the moment until StockX gets their act together with their shipping times and processing times. Ooh, here we go. It also helps that they have the eBay Authentication Center in Toronto. So it's just like bam, bam, bam. I'm here, let's get it done. So this right here, another Air Jordan 1 I got early just for you guys. Another shoe I'm not going to be keeping in my collection because it's just not a colorway I see myself getting a lot of use, a lot of value out of. This isn't a colorway I'm really excited about, but I wanted to show it to you guys anyways. So let's open it up. These release tomorrow or over the weekend. And the, ooh, the quality of leather on these things, not just kinda nice, really nice. These are the light fusion red, black, white. Wow. What, I am actually kinda in shock right now. I was not expecting these to be this nice in person. Look at the way that color pops, man. It kind of reminds me of the LA to Chicago Jordan 1 a little bit with the color tone. I don't know what I'm saying, man, but this is sick. Look at these guys. These are fire. Oh, and they smell good too. The Jordan 1 mids, they don't have that smell, but my first impression of these Jordan 1 highs, very great colorway. I love what they did with this tongue. It's like a gradient sunset fade kind of thing. Let me just get this zoom in action for you guys. Check that out. That looks so cool. That looks really good. These are nice, man. This is definitely a really fun, like, exciting colorway for the summer. This is not a shoe I would probably wear any other time other than the summer. Like, this is a summer only Jordan 1. Of course, we got the eBay authenticity guarantee tag right here as well. And if you guys want to see me test out the eBay authenticity guarantee service, I'll leave that video linked down below. I bought 2 pairs of shoes, a Jordan 1 and a Yeezy, so check that video out. But we got 3 sets of laces on these things. You love to see it when it comes to the Jordan 1. Not just 3 sets of laces, 3 extra sets of laces, because you also have the white laces that come with them as well. I am so impressed by these. I was gonna be like, this is a shoe a lot of people are gonna pass on, and you know, this colorway isn't something I see a lot of OG collectors and a lot of Jordan 1 heads really messing with, but this is a fun colorway. I just don't really have a lot of pink shoes in my collection, and I don't think pink looks necessarily that great on me. Like, when I wear a Jordan 1, I want to be feeling confident, you know, and I don't have a lot of clothing that would necessarily match these, so I'm not going to be able to have the best fits in the world, you feel me? Overall, man, first impression of the Jordan 1 High, what's the exact name? The Jordan 1 High Light Fusion Red. The Jordan 1 High Light Fusion Red retailing for $170 US, probably 225 Canadian or 215. This is a fire shoe in hand. The quality definitely makes up for the colorway that I don't necessarily love. If you want this for retail, it's definitely worth retail. Like, if you can cop this for retail, guys, do it if you like the colorway. I really don't know what the resale will be like for this shoe. I feel like once people see these in hand and once people see how good the quality is, that might, you know, bump up the resale value for these over time. But yeah, I'm curious because this is like not necessarily a colorway we see very often on a retro Jordan 1 High or just like retro Jordans, you feel me? This is something new. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about today's sneaker pickups. I would love to hear from you guys, chop it up with you guys, reconnect, and I'll have some serious talk videos very soon and a whole lot of sneaker reviews and vlogs on the way because we can finally vlog tomorrow. That said, I'm gonna enjoy my iced coffee. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, fantastic weekend whenever you're watching this, and make sure you guys check out my other channel, SneakerTalk 365, for a lot of sneaker reviews over on there too. I'm posting over on there just as much as I am on here. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.